Module Overview. Maintenance Management and Operations. Sustainability are crucial components of operations management that ensure long-term reliability, efficiency, and environmental responsibility of organizational assets and processes. This module emphasizes the strategic importance of maintaining equipment and facilities to avoid unplanned downtime, extend asset life, reduce costs, and align operations with sustainable practices to minimize environmental impact and promote social responsibility. Understanding maintenance management. Maintenance management involves planning, organizing, and controlling activities aimed at preserving or restoring assets to optimal operating conditions. Proper maintenance is essential to ensure operational reliability and safety, reduce unexpected equipment failures, enhance productivity and product quality, minimize repair and replacement costs, comply with legal and regulatory standards. Types of maintenance: reactive, breakdown. Maintenance, fixing equipment only after failure occurs. While simple, this approach often leads to costly downtime and damage. Preventive maintenance, scheduled inspections and servicing to prevent failures before they happen, based on time or usage intervals. Predictive maintenance uses real-time data and condition monitoring, vibration analysis, thermography to predict when maintenance should be performed. Reliability-centered maintenance, RCM, a strategic approach focusing on maintaining asset functions critical to safety and performance. Proactive maintenance identifies and corrects root causes of equipment failure to prevent recurrence. Maintenance planning and scheduling. Effective maintenance management requires detailed maintenance schedules aligned with production plans, work order management systems for tracking tasks, skilled maintenance personnel and training programs, inventory management for spare parts and tools, use of computerized maintenance management systems, CMMS, for data-driven decision-making. Operation sustainability, concepts and importance. Sustainability in operations refers to managing processes in ways that minimize negative environmental, social, and economic impacts while maximizing long-term viability. It incorporates environmental stewardship, reducing waste, emissions, energy, and water use. Social responsibility, ensuring safe, fair, and equitable treatment of employees and communities. Economic viability, balancing cost efficiency with sustainability investments. Sustainable operations create value for stakeholders and ensure compliance with growing regulatory and market demands. Sustainable practices in operations, implementing energy-efficient technologies and renewable energy sources, waste minimization and recycling programs, sustainable sourcing and supplier evaluation, lean manufacturing to reduce resource consumption, life cycle assessment for product design and disposal, corporate social responsibility, CSR, initiatives and reporting. Integration of maintenance and sustainability. Maintenance and sustainability intersect significantly. Well-maintained equipment runs efficiently, reducing energy consumption and emissions. Predictive maintenance prevents catastrophic failures that cause environmental hazards. Sustainable maintenance policies consider environmental impacts of lubricants, chemicals, and disposal. Maintenance teams can drive sustainability goals through continuous improvement and employee engagement. Challenges in maintenance and sustainability. Balancing immediate operational demands with long-term sustainability goals. Justifying investment in sustainable technologies amid cost constraints. Training workforce on new sustainability standards and maintenance practices. Integrating sustainability metrics into operational KPIs. Managing supply chain sustainability in maintenance sourcing. Conclusion of Module 9, Mastering Maintenance Management and Operations Sustainability, empowers organizations to achieve operational excellence, reliability, and resilience while championing responsible environmental and social practices. This module equips you with knowledge of maintenance strategies, sustainable operations principles, and integrated approaches to optimize asset performance and support long-term business success.